Hello guys, today we gonna make a electrical socket board by the cardboards. So in just only 20 or 30 rupees. So watch this video. For this making the electrical socket board, watch this video from starting to end. So you can see the board made by the cardboard. Let's go for the video. Hello guys, today we're gonna make a electrical socket board by the cardboard in just only 20 or 30 rupees. First of all, we need a cardboard structured according to the socket and switches. We need other cardboards, same length, same height, and some walls of cardboard to make a box of electrical socket. And next, connect all the cardboards for make a electrical socket board by the glue gun. Make 8 holes ups and down to connect the socket and switches. Take a socket and put this in the cardboard. Fix it. Take it background. Put the socket according to the holes and put a screw on it. Let's connect this socket and screw correctly, and let's see the background. Fix the screw tightly by the screwdriver. Okay, we connected all the parts of the socket and switches and screwdriver. Let's see the background of this socket. You can see the terminals, and you need a wire. You need some wires, copper wire, and take the wires for connection. Take it wire from the first terminal and second terminal. Connect the second part of wire to the last terminal and fix this screw tightly. And before that, you have a knowledge of electrical. Take 2 inches copper wire and connect the wires. Connect this wire from this terminal of socket and the one terminal of socket and one terminal of switch, and fix the screw by the screwdriver tightly. So guys, we completed the wiring system. We connect all the wires. You can see this how it's looking good. Now take the main wire to connect this board. You just put yellow or red. There is no issue because there is no plus minus in this main wire. And finally, connect one wire to the socket terminal and one wire to the switch terminal.
Me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, now this board is ready. Okay, take other cardboard, same length, same height, and some walls, 4 walls of, and connect all the walls by the glue. If you don't have a glue or glue gun, you just take a Fevicol or Feviquick.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, now you can see the cover board is ready, and you can see the hole for the wire, and connect the socket by the glue gun to the box.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the high.
Okay, this whole board is complete for the work, and let's check this board by the iron soldering machine, or you can test by the LED bulb or anything electronic component. You can see this board is working. This is completely working like a original board. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सलाम हिंदुस्तान, सत श्री अकाल, सबा खैर।